And this is Tennessee right here. Yeah, we're just a sheet of ice and supposed to get some more snow. So yeah, it's just covered in snow. Can't do anything outside. This is Nashville, Tennessee. Woohoo! We're frozen over. We got kids riding bikes. We got boats we can't work on. We got a 35 horsepower Johnson we need to check out. We got a 35 horsepower Mercury we need to sell. We got another 35 horsepower Mercury that I need to go through and fix the water jacket. Got a 20 horsepower Mercury 200 that I need to flush and get it running. And then we got this 7.5 horsepower. So we got some work going on, and it's February something whatevers.